Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hello guys and welcome back to the sewing workshop. On my previous video I talked about why I changed my industrial sewing machine. That's the straight machine. But on this one I actually changed my weaving machine as well. My previous weaving machine is a 3-thread weaving machine, as you guys know. But on this one I have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this weaving machine can do something different from the previous one, which means it can lock and stitch. Which is different. The locking and stitching is mainly they use this machine for sewing of a t-shirt, a round neck t-shirt. They can use this weaving machine to sew it, so easily it will lock and it is going to weave. But the previous machine I'm using before only weave, it does not lock. So that is the difference between the two. And I decided to upgrade to this one because I want to get into some area of fashion as well. I want to dip my hand into some kind of like English wear and something like that. So that's why I get this one. However, this one can as well weave a traditional outfit and it can lock. But for the meantime, I can use it for weaving. So this is the machine you will mostly be seeing in my tutorials as from now. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll be showing you guys how to pass this thread, how to thread this machine. I got someone that actually requested for a 4-thread lock stitch, so I'll be showing a video of how to thread this machine. However, this machine has 2 needles. This machine has 2 needles. So basically the first needle is for the stitching and the second one is used in support for the weaving. So that's about it on this video. I just decided to do an introduction to the sewing machine so that it won't be like just a new thing on the channel. So I hope you guys enjoy my subsequent video that I'll be making, and I hope you guys have a nice day.